Things do have a chance to cool off tomorrow. We have a cold front moving in Wednesday. Not a big blast of cold air, of course, but cooler than it was the last few days. So we'll see sunshine back tomorrow. The winds will be a bit gusty, and that plays a role in maybe some fire weather concerns for you tomorrow too. So, when the air is dry and it's windy, you don't want to attempt any outdoor burning. But dry conditions will be around tomorrow. A lot lower humidity and not seeing much of a rain chance for a while. It's very humid this evening. Dew points are up in the low 70s. So if you head outside for a little walk the dog or something, it's going to be a little sticky out there tonight still until the cold front gets here in the morning. So cold front should be coming through roughly 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning from west to east across the area. So farther west you are is where temperatures may bottom out a little bit more right around sunrise into the 60s. But near the coast, it may stay in the 70s all night long. But most of the night's looking humid. And then tomorrow it gets a little windy or kind of breezy tomorrow. Temperatures back in the 80s. With the dry air coming in, a lot of sunshine around, and temperatures will be in the 70s though at the coast. But with a warm day still, dry air and a pretty good breeze blowing, we have a fire weather watch in effect for pretty much all the valley tomorrow from noon until 8 p.m. This goes from, except for the very eastern edge of Cameron and Wilson counties all the way through off to the west. So basically about the entire valley. Basically means, don't do any outdoor burning. The air is very dry. You don't want to get a fire started because things could spread quickly if a fire did get going. So very dry, breezy conditions tomorrow, but much more comfortable if you're outdoors. Your day planner going from the 60s in the morning, some clouds, humidity's around a little bit in the morning, but then as we go through the day, sunshine comes back and then the breezy, less humid weather comes in. So if there is any humidity left over, it's kind of right around sunrise, and then we clear out quickly with sunshine, breezy, less humid weather all through the afternoon. Winds may be a little gusty, especially at the coast tomorrow where there is a gale watch in effect. Cold fronts in Texas tonight. You see the really cold stuff where it's 39 in Amarillo. That's not coming down here. That's going more eastward, but some of the cooler weather is coming. Future track shows the cold front moving in by around 6 a.m. tomorrow. Clouds may build up a little bit right along the front as it passes, so slim chance you might catch a sprinkle for a few minutes, but no threat of storms or anything like that. Front passes by, and then breezy and cooler weather comes back with sunshine around and all day sunshine in the afternoon. But even with that sunshine, we should stay mainly in the low to mid 80s most of tomorrow afternoon with the breezy north and northwest winds. Lower humidity sticks around tomorrow night, and that means a pretty cool night. By Thursday morning, if you're up early, temperatures will probably start the day in the 50s in a lot of places. So not too many more mornings like that. So get out Thursday morning if you like the cool stuff. You probably have Friday morning too where it's still kind of cool. But Thursday is a day with sunshine, low humidity, and very little wind. Gorgeous day on Thursday. If you'd like sunshine, low humidity, not much wind, try to get out Thursday because, again, you don't have too many more days like this time of year coming. Friday is still a pretty good day, maybe a few high clouds at times, but still humidity kept pretty low one more day until it comes up for the weekend. Winds a little bit gusty. You see future track winds show by 8 a.m. tomorrow. The wind's picking up from the north, and those kind of yellowish, greenish colors indicate about a 20-mile-per-hour wind at times with higher gusts, especially along the coast where winds may be a little extra gusty. So if you are going to be headed toward the coast, I always show you can just get out your phone. If you can't be near the TV, you can always click on the KRGV mobile app. You just happen to have your phone, right? I just happen to have it right here. Check it out. You can check out the 7-day forecast or the winds tomorrow. So let's show you your first 7-day forecast. And there it is. Cool weather for the next few days. I mean, cool by April standards with highs in the 80s. Lows could dip into the 50s on Thursday and maybe Friday mornings. Remember, it's going to be kind of breezy tomorrow. After that, we do see the hot weather returning by later Sunday and Monday. So we'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast coming up. Stay tuned.